Most Nigerians are saving their money in Naira, while others are quietly investing in U.S. stocks and building wealth in dollars. The difference is not luck, it's information. In this video, I will show you exactly how Nigerians can invest in U.S. stocks step by step, even if you are starting from zero. And by the end, you'll understand how to own shares in companies like Apple, Amazon, and Tesla right from your phone. Let's start with the reality. The Naira has consistently lost value over time. And if your savings are only in Naira, your purchasing power is quietly shrinking. At the same time, many local investment options offer limited returns. This is why more Nigerians are now looking beyond local markets and exploring global investment opportunities. Now, here is the opportunity. The U.S. stock market is the largest in the world. It includes some of the most powerful companies ever built. Companies like Apple, Amazon, Google, and Tesla. When you invest in these companies, you are not just saving money. You are owning a piece of global businesses generating billions of dollars. Now the big question, can Nigerians actually invest in U.S. stocks? The answer is yes. Today there are platforms that allow Nigerians to buy U.S. stocks directly from their phones. Platforms like Bamboo, RiseVest, and Trove. These platforms connect you to global markets and allow you to invest in dollars. Let's simplify how this works. Step 1. You create an account on an investment platform. Step 2. You fund your account, usually in Naira, which is converted to dollars. Step 3. You choose the stocks you want to invest in. Step 4. You buy shares directly from your phone. That's it. You are now an investor in global companies. Let's go deeper into the process. First, download an investment app like Bamboo or RiseVest. Next, create your account using your personal details. Then, verify your identity. This is important for security. After that, fund your account using your local bank. Once your account is funded, you can browse available stocks. Select a company, choose how much you want to invest, and confirm your purchase. Within seconds, you own a piece of that company. Let's make this real. If you invest in a company like Apple, you are buying a share of a business that sells millions of devices worldwide. If you invest in Amazon, you are investing in one of the largest e-commerce companies in the world. Over time, as these companies grow, the value of your investment can grow as well. This is how long-term wealth is built. Now let's be clear. Investing is not magic. Stock prices can go up and they can go down. There are risks, but the key difference is this. Serious investors think long-term. They don't panic when the market moves. They focus on consistent investing over time. The biggest mistake many people make is waiting too long. They think they need a lot of money to start. But the truth is, you can start small. What matters is consistency. The earlier you start investing, the more time your money has to grow. If you found this helpful, subscribe to the Prosperity Plot, like, and share. On this channel, we break down practical systems for building wealth as a Nigerian. In the next video, I'll show you the best apps to use for investing in U.S. stocks from Nigeria. This is the Prosperity Plot. Plot your path to wealth.